Hey guys, I have the July Ipsy Glam bag and Glam Bag Plus. We're gonna jump right into it. This is a PR box, and the first one we're gonna go through is the Glam bag. And this one's the little bag is golden like this, and it's called Stay Golden is what it says on the back. Kind of reminds me of Tangled, where it has the little sun. Look at that, isn't that cute? And let's go ahead and go through these. I did do a try on portion if you're interested in that. First thing in here is the Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. I actually adore Briogeo. Their stuff is amazing. It's a little on the pricey side, but really, really good quality. They do, you know, like, what are those called? Like sets from time to time. And every time they do one of those like hair care sets, I usually purchase it. And really great quality, really enjoy their products. And I have tried this mask and it leaves your hair really nice and soft. Next thing in here is actually what's on my cheeks, and it's the Hip Dot. I think this is a blush. I want to say it's a blush just because of the size. That's what it looks like. It is called Red Moon. That's one of the reasons that I wish that sometimes they would have little cards in here explaining what each product is, because sometimes you just be guessing. Next thing is what's actually on my eyes. I did a very simple kind of brown look and then use this Nomad eyeshadow. This is called Eres el Mundo. And look how gorgeous that gold is. It's actually what is on my lids. Just the formula, amazing. And then I actually tried this as well. This is the Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil, and it's a really nice lip oil. It's very different from the other ones that I've tried because it's not as sticky or glossy. It actually dries down really nicely, and you're gonna see that in the try on portion. It's underneath the lip gloss that I have right now. I just kind of needed a little bit of color for work just because the lip oil was completely transparent. And then next is the First Aid Beauty. I absolutely love First Aid Beauty, their skincare, their primers. And this is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I like the fact that this isn't fully matte. You'll see it in the try on portion where it actually doesn't leave your skin way too matte. I feel like it's a good in between. Somebody like me who has more combination and I have dry areas can still get a little bit of hydration from this. Really nice. And then the last thing in here is the KVD Cake Pencil. I love this eyeliner. I have the full size and truly enjoy it. It is a very pigmented black matte liner, and it basically is very, very long wearing. Absolutely love it. I especially love it for like underneath the lashes up here in the waterline. It just is so black and pigmented that it just really just makes your lashes like blend in beautifully under, you know, you never want to leave that waterline without anything, especially when you wear lashes. And just the trick of just putting black in that waterline up there just makes your lashes look fuller and bigger. Before I jump into the try on portion, we're gonna go through the Glam Bag Plus, and this is what the bag looks like. I just feel like it just really reminds me of freaking Tangled. Is it just me? Let me know down below. And this is what the baggie looks like. Really, really cute with the little evil eye and the sun. And it says Stay Golden. And if you're staying golden during the summer, don't forget to wear SPF. Please don't forget. And then I'm going to show you guys the little gift that they gave us influencers. So they sent this Au Soleil times Ipsy, and it's basically to wrap your body for your bathing suit. So that's what it looks like right there. I will try to wear this the next time I go to the pool, but it looks just a very soft, what's it called? It kind of reminds me of the Muslim, I want to say it's called Muslim cloths that you use for babies. It's kind of very similar to that. I wish that, I don't know if they have these available in their stores or as extras, because I feel like sometimes I show products on here that they've sent here in the influencer box or the PR box, and a lot of you guys, you know, are interested in them. So I'm not sure if they have them on their website or not. And let's go ahead and jump into the Glam Bag Plus. And the first thing in here is the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream. I'm so happy that they sent this. I'm already halfway through the one that I have. I love this. Not only does it smell good, it lathers amazing. It just leaves your legs super soft, and it's just an amazing shaving cream. And it's not like the old school shaving creams. It's almost like very moisturizing and almost like this thick, nice cream that smells good and leaves your skin hydrated. I freaking love this amazing shaving cream. If you haven't tried this, highly recommend. Next up are these brushes. This is by MOTD, Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. And there's 3 of them in here. And they do come with brush guards, which is nice. And it comes with a bronzer brush, a blush brush, and a sculpting brush. Ooh, this little sculpting one is nice. Look at that. It's like very precise. This is the cheek one. I'd have to fluff this out a little bit more. It's a little too condensed for me, but they've also been in these brush guards. And this one is the bronzer. I feel like this is okay. I have to kind of like use them and get them to spread out to see how they really work, because they've been in these brush guards for a hot minute. But I have tried a few of their brushes and really enjoyed them. The next thing in here is the Dr. Eve Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. I absolutely love The next thing in here is the Dr. Eve Ruth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. I love me some vitamin C. I have been using vitamin C every morning, and I just feel like it really brightens your skin and helps with any kind of discoloration, any spots that you have. And yeah, I will definitely try this out and incorporate it into my skincare. I have a lot of skincare that I use, but to me, skincare is just such a necessity. Next thing in here is the Il Makiage Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. And I should have tried this out. But this is what it looks like. It's a very thin brush. Let's just add on to my already mascara. I don't think you're gonna see much of a difference, but I just want to kind of see what the bristles look like. Okay, I like the fact that it's more of a comb, so it just like works really nicely into the lashes. But overall, I have to use it by itself to kind of see. I didn't really see this when I was picking out the products that I was going to do in the try on portion. I kind of wish that I had, so oopsie, but it looks like a nice mascara. We'll see how it works. The last product in here is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These are freaking amazing. This one comes with 6 pair in here. I think they're covered, but this is basically what they look like. They're gold under eye patches. And if you know anything about me, you know that every morning when I wake up, I put some underneath my eyes. I use especially the Good Molecules one and absolutely love it. And anytime I get, you know, some of these more fancier ones, I use them as well. Just absolutely love it. Anytime you're gonna do makeup, especially for underneath the eyes, I feel like this just makes them more hydrated and just brings life back under your eyes. Also, just for like, you know, skincare, just to give yourself some pampering, I feel like these under eye patches are amazing as well. The try on portion, we are going to try some of these things, and the first thing I'm going to try is the, where are you? This is the First Aid Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I'm not really into matte primers, to be honest with you guys, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see what it feels like. It has like a silicone feel to it, and it's not as matte as I thought it was gonna be. Do you guys see that? Doesn't feel matte on the skin, which is nice. It's actually really nice. And it smells nice too. I use the neutral matte from Visart just to use like 2 or 3 colors, just something very simple. And this is actually from the Ipsy Glam bag. This is a Nomad Intense eyeshadow, and this one's called Eres el Mundo. It's a gorgeous gold, and I thought we could put that all over the lid. I already have primer down. Let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna use my little sapito and just put that all over the lid and blend it into the matte shadows that I have on there. Oh, that's pretty. I think I would prefer it a little bit more wet, but we're gonna wear it like this for today. Oh, it's buildable. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't even have to wet it. Oh, that's very pretty. Next thing we're gonna play with is this Hip Dot. I think it's a blush. It looks like a blush and it's probably the size of a mini blush. So I'm gonna use it as a blush. And this is called Red Moon. It's a little too pinky for the look that I did, but we're just gonna go with it. It might bronze it up a little bit more. But that's what it looks like. That is what the cheek color looks like. It's a little too pinky for me. I did try to tone it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put on my highlight and everything else off camera. And the last thing that we're gonna try is this silky lip oil from Artist Couture. And see, oh, she is cute. I've seen a lot of companies come out with lip oils lately. Okay, and they always have these big little applicators. It doesn't have a smell to it. I like the fact that, I don't know if you can tell, it's not like glossy. It's just very hydrating on the lips, so it doesn't stay like ultra glossy on the lips. I feel like this would look really nice or apply really nice under liquid lips. And that is what the lip oil looks like. I feel like this would work really good under liquid lipsticks. I love using a balm or a lip oil underneath them. And this one isn't as oily or as shiny as many lip oils are, where they tend to be, you could just use them by yourself. They make like a glossy kind of appearance to the lips. This one is a little bit more subdued, and I feel like very nice and hydrating, almost like a balm for your lips. So I really like that. I'm gonna finish off my makeup and come back with my final thoughts on the bags. And that is all for this video. Let me know which bag you preferred. As a makeup junkie, I kind of really enjoy more the Glam bag. Even though they're mini sizes, I absolutely just love trying new makeup. The Glam Bag Plus is nice this month. I like the fact that they put a little bit of makeup with skincare stuff. You have the Il Maquillage mascara, the makeup brushes, and then, you know, some skincare stuff in here as well. But overall, I kind of lean more towards the Glam bag, especially because they had such great brands in there. Artist Couture, Nomad, Hip Dot. They have like a little bit of everything in there. Let me know which bag you guys preferred. What were your choices for this month? What are you dying to get your little grubby hands on? That, I'm just kidding with you guys, but have a great week. I hope you guys are staying safe. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe, hitting that little red button. Also, my social media is down below if you want to keep up with me over there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.